Okay, so in today's class we're looking at loss. Now we have two examples on loss that I have written down already. Okay, looking at the first example, we said in a certain shipment, 2% of the crates were damaged. If the loss per damaged crate was D35 and the total loss due to damages was D700, how many crates were shipped? Now in the first instance, what do we have? 2% of the crates were damaged. So that's 2% of crates, which represents what? 2 over 100 times number of crates, which I don't know yet. And I said if the loss per damaged crate was D35, per damaged crate was what? D35. That is, each crate damaged is D35. And the total loss due to damages was D700. Total damages is D700. Now, if per damage crate is D35, total damage crate is D700, how many crates were damaged? Crate damage becomes what? The total over per damage crates. So that's D700 over D35, which leaves me with what? 20 crates. So now that I know the number of crates that was was damaged, how can I now solve for this? To know the total number of crates that was shipped is by saying what? 2 over 100 times x equals to number of damaged crates. That now becomes 2x over 100 equals to 20, and this is 10 relatively over 1. Therefore, my x is equals to what? 1000 crates. So, how many crates were shipped? We have what? 1000 what? Crates relatively. As simple as that. Number 2 example says a woman bought 600 oranges at 1,200 naira. 600 oranges equals 1,200. If 20% of the oranges got bad oranges now becomes what? Becomes what? 20 over 100, which is 20% times the total number of oranges she bought. That's times 600. This leaves me with 120 bad oranges, relatively. So if 20% of the oranges got bad and the rest were sold at 25 naira, now the rest, if 120 oranges got bad out of 600, which is good then in that case? Then the ones that will be good becomes what? 600 minus 120, which is 480 good oranges that remains. So, and the question now continues by saying if the rest, which is 480, were sold at 25 naira for 12, find the loss. Before we get the loss, we have to know the total number of oranges that are good in this case then. So in this case, if I say x naira equals to 480, that is, they'll purchase 480 oranges at x naira, and then they'll purchase at 25 naira 20 oranges, 12 oranges as was given to us here. What will I then have? Since this is 480, this is 25, I'm going to have it as 25 times 480 equals to 12 times x. So divide both by 12 to have what? To have 1000. So it means I'm going to have x to be equals to what? 1000 naira. So it means the cost of 480 oranges and 25 for 12 is what? 1000 naira. Now finally the loss now becomes the initial amount of all oranges, which is 1, 2 minus what? 1000 naira, which is the cost of good oranges. Then that's 200 naira. Simple as that.